Hey everybody, I'm Austin Crotter. I'm the engineering manager at PolarCool, and we're going to show you today the easiest way to uncrate one of our PolarCool units. We've got a 36-inch black unit. As you can see, it's got some pretty substantial crating on it. It can be overwhelming when you see it, but there's really an easy way to do it as long as you know the right places to go. So all you'll really need is a hammer to get this uncrated. But you could also use a crowbar if you need to. So our recommendation is going to the back of the unit, and you can see you've got 3 runners on the top. You've got a little bit more space here on the back of the unit. So what we're going to do to get the top off of this crate, hit up against the bottom side of these 3 runners to get a little space. You can see here I've already got a little bit of space behind this one. Just enough to get the hammer between the 2 pieces of wood. So we'll continue to do this on the other 2 sides until we can get this fully unattached from the top. So now that we have the top completely unattached from one side, we're going to take this and bend it over towards the front. We've got the same 3 attachments on the front side, so I'll take this and bend it over to get it unattached. So now that my top is completely off, we've got both sides that are free, and with just a little force we'll be able to get both of those off. So I'm just going to pull straight towards me on each side. Over here. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the boards on the front and the back. I'm just going to pull those. You don't have to get both of them because this PolarCool is going to slide off one way. Now that I've got all the wood off of the crate, we're really left with the skid and the PolarCool. It's banded through the forklift channels, so what we're going to need is just a pair of pliers to clip that metal band. All right, now that we've got the unit completely uncrated, all the wood's off the skid, we've got our bands cut that go through the forklift channels, we're going to remove the unit from the skid and put it on the ground. So if you've got equipment on site, it does come with forklift channels, so you can go under and lift it up. For a 36-inch unit, you're probably going to need a hand, so grab your friend and we'll just grab each side, we'll slide it off the front, and then ride it down onto the ground. Ready? 1, 2.